Always tracking, always alerting. This is Next Weather.
And next weather meteorologist Dave Warren here tracking potential storms to start our week.
Storms to start the week, yes. They were out there today. They were over the interior, but now they'll get a little closer to the area, and that will lead to slightly cooler temperatures there across the interior here of the area. So it was quiet tonight. The radar did pick up a little activity well to the interior here, but now we're just left with clouds and conditions which are mostly clear here along the east coast. Now the next weather radar, that's the last of the lightning there right off the coast, but if you look to the western sky today, you saw these building clouds, these towering thunderstorms that stayed over the interior here. Just a beautiful sight there in the western sky. Threw us some shade. Didn't give us the rain and did not give us the cooler temperatures there, and they wound down here this evening. Tomorrow they will be a little closer, so we may be able to cool things off and get some of that cooler air coming out of the storms, and that could drop the temperatures a bit. It's not dropping the numbers tonight. We're just at 84 here. That's a pretty common number, except for Marathon at 85 degrees. Could be just above 80 when you step outside tomorrow morning. What has kept us high and dry is moving out, so we get these inland storms coming into the area tomorrow. They may be a little closer to the east coast. And then the change comes in Tuesday and Wednesday. A front works its way south. It'll stall up to our north, an area of low pressure developing along it. But this is moisture that's returning to the area. It's been very, very dry, and now that moisture is working its way back into the area. So we put these showers and storms that are increasing here into the forecast, starting off in the interior here, and that's what we can expect tomorrow. Now we'll put the rain chances right at 10%. Look about 12 to 2. By then it's hot again. But these showers developing over the interior, they're not near the coast, so that's why it's just a low rain chance. And it will put out some cooler air, maybe drop the temperatures a bit, give us a few more clouds around. And there are the inland storms, but they're a bit more widespread, so that's what we start to see here. That's the trend over the next day or two here. Just more showers and storms. They're inland there by Monday, and then by Tuesday, a little more moisture comes in, and maybe a little earlier we'll start these rain showers there mid to late morning. They develop by 2, 3 o'clock. They're still over the east coast. They push inland by 4 to 5, and then they work their way back by 8, 9 o'clock in the evening here. And then the showers and storms actually increase a bit there, say by Wednesday. Now, before the storms get going, heat index values may be up for an hour at 105, so not seeing a heat advisory tomorrow, but still hot. It is just a little cooler along the beaches there with that heat index into the upper 90s there, with that heat index inland easily above 100 degrees. This is the area that we continue to watch. It's a low development potential. That cluster of clouds, now 20% chance of development. Next weather tropics tracker showing that cluster of showers working through this development area, and by Tuesday and Wednesday here, it's working into some much drier air. There's a lot of dust and dry air to the north of this development area, and eventually some of that will work its way here to us in South Florida, and that could be lowering our rain chances here by the end of the week after we peak, say Monday and Tuesday. Mid-afternoon showers are in the forecast tomorrow, and then we'll up the rain chances Tuesday to Wednesday. There's that hazy sunshine by the end of the week, lowering the rain chances, and with that lower rain chance, temperatures are back above 90 degrees starting Friday.